So guys, thank you for checking Acuman. This is Alex. When parents are getting old, their health condition will be gradually reduced, and in many kind of situations, they'll feel really tired. Like my father, for example, he's almost 16, but still, he really likes to exercise and go out for a ride a bike around the city. Well, actually, that's a really good habit. But the thing is, yesterday, he talked to me that, son, I really want to go to the drum tower. Can I just go there by riding the bicycle? I say, yes, that's okay. It's not far away from our home, and just go ahead. But the thing turns out that this morning, my father called me that, son, can you pick me up? I'm really tired on the way. I say, okay, wait for me. But when I picked my father, I also checked the GPS on his cell phone, and it says, drum tower, Nanjing. What the? But in this kind of situation, what should we do? Should we relieve their fatigue? Luckily, I have my Shifu, who is a grandmaster of Chinese medicine, Kung Fu, and making Kung chicken. He told me, don't panic, Alex. In this kind of situation, you just need to press one acupoint, and then it can relieve their fatigue. So which acupoint? Let's find it out. The acupoint we'll go usefully is called Tai Yuan point. So where's the Tai Yuan point? Tai Yuan point is on our wrist of our hand, outside part of our wrist, and it's below your bottom of your thumb, which means right in this point. When you touch it, you can find there's a little hole in here. And this hole, my friend, is the Tai Yuan Xue we are talking about. Older people suffer from physical weakness, lack of energy, speechless, and some other painful stuff. And pressing Tai Yuan can solve these problems well. And how to press Tai Yuan point? To press the Tai Yuan point, we're gonna use the little wooden stick Shifu gave to us. Find the Tai Yuan point on our parents' wrist. Press it with a little bit hard power, and we'll keep doing that until this point feels a little bit sore. And we're doing that for 3 minutes. After that, let's change another hand and doing the same thing. And by the way, there's an old Chinese sentence called 人老会以筋骨为能, which means elders should not truly rely on their physical ability, but still the exercise is important. So you can exercise like the jogging or riding a bicycle with your parents, and it can help to keep their health condition. Alright, that's today's Acuman. If you like our program, please subscribe us or leave a comment below. So until next time, bye!